Welcome guys, Cream Bars back again with another reaction video. Today we're gonna react to something very different. Boy Boy Die Die, either Trinidadian dancehall artist. To tell you the truth guys, I didn't even know that Trinidad did dancehall. Even though I'm from Jamaica, I didn't know that Trinidad did dancehall. I know that they do like soca music, carnival music and stuff like that. So I found out recently, like probably 3 days ago, that Trinidad do dancehall. So I decided to check up some and see what's really going on with the thing, if it's just like Jamaica or something like that.
Yo, Lockers, yo boy, any day, any weather. In a kuna a man a make cheddar. We no box no me weather. But shut up like this boy. Listen up. Die, die. Pussy will get shot from boy.
Wait. Is it Jamaica? Wait. Is it Trinidad for real, bro? Or Jamaica? Listen, I don't really know anything about Trinidad. I don't know if they curse the same way like Jamaican, because I think that's a Jamaican bad word. Pussy hole is a Jamaican bad word, but I don't know if Trinidad have the same bad word. But this sounds just like Jamaican dancehall, bro. Sounds just the same. Yo, I know this song is kind of singing about guns and everything, but it's kind of fire, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It sound brutal, but it have a nice tone to it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Cockfight? What the fuck? Damn, I don't know anything about Trinidad, but I'm not even convinced this is Trinidad, bro. Honest to God. I'm not even convinced that this is Trinidad. No, what the fuck? The man say, thing them never rust. Tool well clean up. You know what? I'm gonna say anything more, bro. Die. Funny enough, you know, my brother is actually called Boy, and he's actually a DJ. Weird enough. Damn, I can't believe this, bro. But funny enough, the reason why they probably sound like our dancehall is probably they take. I know that Jamaica is the originator of dancehall, and I think Africans sing dancehall just like Jamaicans do. So, but it just sounds strange to hear them sound just like Jamaican dancehall, bro. Damn. What I'm talking about, I don't even hear the accent or anything. That's why I'm so confused if it's really Trinidad, because I don't hear any accent. Pussy what? Yo, this bad dog, I'm not telling you. It's brutal, but it's on, you see me? I don't know what I do, I don't know if it's a thing or how it go. You see me? I'm not from Trinidad. But anyway guys, this was the other reaction video. Not gonna lie, video kinda sick. The song sound sick too. You see me? I'm very surprised by how they sound just like Jamaican. Like, Because I know that Trinidadian have accent, so I was thinking that when they was gonna sing or singing, it's gonna come in the song like you can hear the accent in the song. Just like when they're singing the soca, you can't hear the accent in the soca. So I was expecting the same thing with the dancehall. But this was sick as hell, bro. I was sometimes confused, like, what the fuck, where is this, bro? But anyway, guys, this is the end of the reaction video. Peace out. Enough love.